Good evening, everyone. Saturday, I believe. I had a Tesla on the left. That's like the first electric car I've seen here. I think I've seen a hybrid, maybe a Bolt EUV or something. So this is your Ultium Battery Plant. We're here to check the status of the chargers, which haven't been online yet. Still look pretty dead. Why would you put something in and then take so long to activate it? That's kind of strange. So another Tesla on my left here. And oh, that looks good, Jesus. I might have to loop around and check the back end. I don't know my Teslas yet. But yeah, I'm just wondering why in the heck you put chargers in. Same in Salem. Just I wonder if they're doing a weights and measures and the political locals are just dragging their feet. Or they don't know what the hell they're doing when there's not liters or gallons involved. Let's take a wait for the car to go, then we'll loop around the handicap spot. Look at the back of this Tesla. And we'll drive up a different row and go home. Just got a message. Somebody might want to buy my walk-behind Cub Cadet mower. It's only got 67 hours. Wife goes, why are you selling it so cheap? I said, well, I've had it for a while. Don't use it much. It's just sitting there taking up space. Wow. Fire up the truck and still warming it up, I guess. I don't miss internal combustion stuff at all. This stuff is just boring. But once everybody gets electric vehicles, I'm probably going to be bored with this stuff too. I think if you're doing the electric car stuff now you've been doing it, it's more fun before everybody else does it. We got no IDs and stuff in the cars, do they? Maybe we'll take a swerve around and see what it is. I know my Tesla so well, I've got to read it on the back of the car. Well, you tell me what it is. Looks great. Looks pretty darn new, too. And wow. Nice paint. Sensors everywhere. You see comments on the internet and stuff. There's some people, you know, boy, this Mazda CX-5, I still think that's a beautiful design. They sure sold like hotcakes. So yeah, I don't know my Teslas, you tell me. But I like with the wheels, they keep them original and sleek. So I gotta learn my Teslas. I guess a good way to learn is to start buying the darn things, but I'm not gonna have the funds right now. Wow, my phone is dirty. Oh, no wonder they weren't stopping when they're just pulling out. They didn't put a stop sign in. We'll just do a common courtesy thing. gonna get a little windy here, so I haven't been up here for almost like 3 weeks. I was doing it like every week or two, so got the windows open, lots of noise. The car's quiet otherwise. I've got a DV meter. We'll do a check on that. We've done a radiation check. That's all good. What we need to do is the radiation check in a regular car, excuse me. Alright, over and out. If you like any of these videos, check them out. Hit the like button. You can subscribe or whatever. We do things the old-fashioned way. I used to do editing and stuff when I was young, but all that computer stuff's gone and outdated. Talk to you later. I came back home, wanted to stroll through town with the car. Oh, and it's Ford Lightning Lariat Pro. I guess it's not Pro, it's a Lariat. Well, they got it on charge today anyway. I wonder how long it's going to take to charge. And we'll swing you over here. I wonder if they're going to leave it in all weekend just to discourage people like me. There ain't going to be nobody in till Monday probably, huh? Uh-oh.
Enrique Cub Cadet 33 inches walk behind Castor mower. Enrique Sanchez said, okay. Do you want to reply? Okay, it's sent.
Well, I gotta get home. It looks like that thing's sold. Keep tuned. We might do the West Virginia I-77 corridor challenge in the Nissan Leaf. How cool is that? There's no fast charging listed on there. There's 2 new units under construction I noticed a few weeks ago. So maybe that's part of the new thing coming in, but sure takes forever. And I think they're trying to, the government's trying to get in on the, how the Weights and Measures puts their stickers on gas pumps. I think they want to get in on the action to get paid for electric charging and stuff. Alright, just added that or whatever. Now you can tune out. Talk to you later.